Right, so as you can see, I've moved on a little bit here. I've had one or two problems. Obviously, when you're looking through and you're buying this frame, it seems that it's for SCX 10.3. That's what the links were for that I got, and I obviously haven't got them axles, so I've had to retrofit them. Plus, I've got an outrunner which is quite long, which I've had problems hitting on my links and things, so I've had a lot of sorting out around that area to do as well. But I've managed to get it in, and I've managed to get it articulating without touching anything, and everything's running free. So I'm just going to see how we go from there. My next job is to get all my electrics all mounted and put together. So there we go. So as you can see close up here, you can see I've got everything fitted in there. So very tight underneath there. I'm still not happy with one or two things, but we'll see how it goes. Also, to get a little bit more clearance, I've also had to tilt the gearbox slightly upwards just to get clearance again on my links. So we'll get forward on to the next step and see how it looks. Right, I've got to a stage now where I've actually got it up and running. So I have noticed though, all the links very sloppy, loose. I might have to swap them or tighten them up. So the main problem I'm having as well at the front here is this universal joint here is so short, it keeps popping out. I am getting a little bit of movement on there, so we'll see how that goes. So I've gone for a rhino-esque and a rhino outrunner. So I've managed to get my outrunner in there and clear of everything now. As you can see there, I've got my S on here tied up top. My receiver here, a little kill switch here, and I've had it running, and it is really smooth. So I'll be showing that in a few minutes.